You're rushing into a meeting and you just have to prepare a quick but elegant report from your data. Today I'm going to show you a really simple but super awesome trick in Excel using which you can take your raw data and then make a quick report so that you can impress your boss or client. Let's go. So here I have got some chocolate sales data as usual from our awesome chocolates company. First up, I'm going to apply some sort on this data. For that, go to Home and then click on Sort and Filter Custom Sort. I would like to sort this data by person and category. So this is a 2-level sort. So sort by person A to Z, add level, and then by category A to Z as well. So that within each person, each category, I will see what is happening. And then what I want to be able to do is I want to calculate the average amounts for each person within each category and then right away print that underneath the data. This kind of a thing is called subtotal or outlining the data. And this is really simple to do. Select all your data using arrow keys and the shift key and then go to the data ribbon and from here click on the subtotal button. It will ask you how you want to subtotal. Initially, I want to make a subtotal for each change in person and then add that here. And then when I click OK, I'll get a person level subtotals for average amounts and boxes. And this will also give you an outline format for you. So for example, if I see the second level outline, I'll see what is my individual person level averages are for their amounts and boxes. I'll also see grand total or grand average at the bottom. And if I want to see the lowest level detail, I can go to the level 3 and then I can see all my data. Level 1 will just contain my grand total. At this level point, I want to add a further subcategorization, nested level, if you will, at the category level. So again, we'll select all the data, go to subtotal, and then this time select for each change in category. Make sure that you don't have the replace current subtotals option checked in. By default, Excel will check this in, so uncheck this if it is there. And then click OK. This will add a product category level subtotal as well. So now we have got 4 levels. Highest level is my grand average. Second level is my person average. And then third level is within each person, each category, how things are happening. And fourth level is my overall picture. So far so good, but it kind of looks a little bit clumsy with so many numbers. How do I make it look a little bit pretty? The simplest trick, and this is something that I really love in Excel, is just select your number columns, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and apply something like data bars. I would usually go with solid fills instead of gradient fills, but if you like the gradient, go with gradient as well. I'm going to go with the blue bars for now, and we have added a kind of an indicator in the cell that tells me how high the average or the total for that person is. And this is a very powerful and elegant way to look at the data. The beauty of this is it will work even when you go to a different level. Because my totals are at an average level, not sum, the bars kind of look meaningful when you are averaging them. I can see this at level 3, level 2, or level 4, and then get the same information. We could do the same for boxes as well, but for boxes, I'm going to try a color scale. Again, you can apply a color scale like white to green, so that the higher a number, the greener a cell would be. And again, we can apply this to see what is happening at an overall level, level 3 or level 4, and then you can immediately spot some very high values there. So that is your quick and easy report with Excel. You might be thinking, this is really quick. I've got maybe 10 minutes, not 2 minutes. Do you have any suggestions for me? Well, here is a video that shows you how to use pivot tables so that you can take this data and get a bit more meaning and insight out of it using quick but slightly longer methods in Excel. Check that one out. I'll catch you there. Bye-bye.